Hey!
So first we're gonna take a look at this first equation. So first off the bat, we notice the negative sign, which means to reflect the x-axis. And then we go ahead and see the number 3. So we will know that it's a vertical. Make sure you guys know how to spell vertical, right? It's V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L.
Hey!
Stretch. Because the number is greater than 1.
Type.
And then this one, since it's inside the parentheses, it's gonna be left 6 units, but I'm not gonna write units. So this means it's down 4, since it's outside and it's a negative. So let's go ahead and sketch this out. Let's sketch this bad boy out. So when we see the function, we notice this. And what can you infer?
Quadratic function.
Hit my target!
Hey!
It's
a quadratic!
Hey! So now, everybody knows what a quadratic is. So basically, if you do not know, and it's okay to not know, it goes through the origin, which is 0, 0. So yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and sketch this bad boy out.
Hey!
So we're gonna first reflect x-axis, as you can tell. And due to it being a vertical stretch, it's gonna get skinnier than before. But first, we're gonna graph this. So it's left of 6, so it's negative 6, down 4, so negative 4. So it's right here. That's the point. And let's just sketch that bad boy out. And as I mentioned before, a vertical stretch is basically this, when the thing skinnies out. So that's how I made it more skinny than the other one. So now we're gonna find its vertex. So the vertex form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. This is the basic form of vertex form. So we're gonna input 6 here, so it would be plus basically if you add that, it would be this negative 6. Since there's a negative here, cancels, yeah, and cancels right here, it would be negative 4. So, welcome back, YouTube.
Hey.
So, we're back with the part 2 because this is obviously more different than this one. So there's no negative, so we don't worry about that. But there is this. That is a vertical compression. Everybody says I have the best handwriting actor in early college and high school. Hey!
Hey! Who said it?
Everybody. So this is the formula for vertical compression. A is greater than 0, less than 1. And 1/3 clearly hits the target. So that's why it's a vertical compression. So next up is the number inside the parentheses, which makes it go right 2, because it's always the opposite. This one is outside, so it's up. Now we're gonna go ahead and sketch it. But before we do, we need to remember the most important part. Look at the function!
Hey!
And it's quadratics. So let's graph it out. And as I previously said, goes through the origin. You know, brother. So vertical compression just means it gets wider like this.
Oh.
It gets wider, and yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and graph this out. So it's right 2, so 2 is right here, up 1, 1 is right here. So the dot is right here. So let's just widen this bad boy out.
Hey, brother, fire.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead and understand the vertex. And we already know the equation like I mentioned, but I'll just go ahead and rewrite it. But I'll just show you guys the most important part of the equation, which is basically this part as it correlates with our, our equation up top. So it would be,
Move your head.
oh, sorry guys. So it would be 2, 1. Back with another banger. See you guys in my next banger video.